Oran Z Surreal 3, Art Appreciation Course. With an Afrocentric Viewpoint book 8 by Oran Belgrave, author Oran Z is a talented African-American artist, known for his unique approach to surrealism. He had always been drawn to the dreamlike quality of the art form and had spent years honing his craft. As he sat down to write his third book on Surrealism Art, Oran Z felt a sense of excitement and anticipation. He had poured his heart and soul into his previous 2 books and had received rave reviews from art critics and enthusiasts alike. Oran Z's latest book, Oran Z Surreal 3, promised to be his most ambitious yet. It was a collection of his most recent works, which explored the themes of identity, belonging, and the human experience. As Oran Z worked tirelessly on his book, he found himself delving deeper into his own psyche. He began to explore the emotions and experiences that had shaped him as a person and channeled them into his art. The result was a collection of paintings that were raw, emotional, and deeply personal. They spoke to the struggles of the African American experience, and the ongoing fight for equality and justice. Oran Z's book was an instant success, selling out within weeks of its release. Critics praised the artist for his ability to capture the essence of the human condition, and his unique approach to surrealism. But for Oran Z, the true reward was seeing his art resonate with people from all walks of life. He had always believed that art had the power to bring people together, and to transcend cultural and societal barriers. And with Oran Z Surreal 3, he had achieved just that. As he looked back on his journey as an artist, Oran Z felt grateful for the opportunities he had been given, and the people who had supported him along the way. He knew that there was still much work to be done, both in the art world and beyond. But for now, he was content to let his art speak for itself, and to continue pushing the boundaries of what was possible. You dig?